Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. SEC backs down on claiming Sol, ADA, MATIC, other tokens are securities in Binance suit. Next, Ripple's XRP leads gains in crypto majors as Bitcoin price sinks below $66,000. Also, California DMV building blockchain on Avalanche for title transfers. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: SEC backs down on claiming Sol, ADA, MATIC, other tokens are securities in Binance suit. The SEC has retracted its request for a court ruling to classify tokens such as Solana, Cardano, Polygon, and others as securities. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission is no longer asking a court to decide and deem the tokens named in its lawsuit against crypto exchange Binance as securities. On July 30th, the SEC filed a response to the court's minute order on July 9th, 2024. In the filing, the SEC wrote that it seeks to amend its complaint regarding the third-party crypto asset securities defined in its opposition to Binance's motion to dismiss. According to the SEC, this removes the need to issue a ruling as to the sufficiency of the allegations as to those tokens at this time. This means the government agency no longer asks the court to decide whether the affected tokens are securities. Which tokens are affected? In its suit against Binance, the SEC claimed several tokens were securities. The list includes BNB, Binance USD, Solana, Cardano, Polygon, Cosmos, The Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, and Cody. These tokens are just part of a bigger list of tokens that the SEC believes to be securities. In June 2023, the SEC claimed at least 68 tokens were securities, affecting more than $100 billion worth of cryptocurrencies in the market. Shifting views on crypto in the U.S. The SEC retracting its request to issue a ruling follows presidential candidates' attempt to win over pro-crypto U.S. voters. On July 27th, former President Donald Trump pledged to end the war on crypto as part of his election campaign. At the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, Tennessee, Trump said that the U.S. will be the crypto capital of the planet. The Republican Party candidate also said he would fire SEC Chair Gary Gensler on his first day as president and appoint a crypto and Bitcoin Presidential Advisory Council. Trump said he will appoint a new chairman to help America build the future, not block the future. On the other side of the political spectrum, views on crypto are also beginning to shift. On July 27th, Democratic Party members of the U.S. House of Representatives signed a letter calling for the party to take a forward-looking approach to blockchain and digital assets. In response to the letter, advisors of presidential candidate and incumbent Vice President Kamala Harris contacted crypto companies to repair the party's ties to the crypto industry. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: Ripple's XRP leads gains in crypto majors as Bitcoin price sinks below $66,000. Bitcoin slumped below the $66,000 level Tuesday, pairing all gains from last week as sentiment soured after an enormous amount of the cryptocurrency was transferred by U.S. authorities, sparking fears of imminent selling pressure among traders. XRP rallies while BTC, ETH, and Sol trade lower. According to CoinGecko data, Bitcoin is currently trading for $65,673.53, representing a 2.4% decline over the past 24 hours. Just a day before, BTC had pushed towards $70,000 but failed to hold it. The weak price action came after $2 billion of Silk Road-linked BTC, left a wallet associated with the United States government. It's unclear what's happening with the Bitcoin stash and whether it's a prelude to a sale. Nonetheless, the transaction contrasted with promises by U.S. presidential candidates over the weekend to use the funds to build a Bitcoin strategic reserve or stockpile. The unprecedented correction has sent ripples throughout the crypto market, with Solana's Sol, the industry's fourth largest crypto, feeling the most pain among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. The Sol price is currently hovering at $175.95, down 5.5% over the same time frame. Solana has basically reversed all its Monday gains. The token had skyrocketed as meme coin trading on the network heated up over the weekend, with its on-chain trading volumes surpassing Ethereum's, the typical leader. Meanwhile, Ripple's XRP bucked the trend, rising 3.8% in the past 24 hours, following the latest update in the Binance case, which could be significant for the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, now awaiting a final verdict. What's next for BTC? Reacting to Bitcoin's fall today, Keith Allen, co-founder of trading resource Material Indicators, hoped the bulls could mount a powerful recovery to safeguard a rising trend line on daily timeframes. In a post on Twitter, he suggested that higher levels than those witnessed this week, particularly 72,000 and above, hinged on bulls first flipping the old 2021 record high of 69,000 to strong support. That's the HH that bulls need to take out before BTC is positioned to go after the all-time high, and I do think it will come eventually, but I maintain that we aren't going to see a sustainable move to a new all-time high until we validate an RS flip at 69,000, he postulated. Meanwhile, well-known trader Roman is eyeing near-term price targets of $64,000 and $60,000. My bet is sentiment gets ultra-bearish at these levels, then we full send up once again, he added. Despite a potential decline in the short term, BTC could be primed for higher prices in the long run. MicroStrategy Chairman Michael Saylor said at the Bitcoin conference in Nashville that the price of the alpha crypto could surge to $13 million by 2045. Our next top headline, California DMV building blockchain on Avalanche for title transfers. The DMV has successfully digitized 42 million car titles on the Avalanche blockchain. California's Department of Motor Vehicles, or DMV, is building a DMV-run blockchain on the Avalanche network to streamline vehicle title transfers for the U.S. state's 39 million residents, according to an announcement. The DMV has already successfully digitized 42 million car titles on Layer 1 blockchain network Avalanche, which will soon be claimable on the DMV's mobile wallet app in minutes using a verifiable credential, according to Oxhead Alpha, the Web3 consultancy that implemented the system. Title transfers will be mediated by escrow-like Avalanche blockchain smart contracts that enable users to track and manage vehicle titles digitally. This could potentially reduce the need for physical trips to the DMV, according to the announcement. As consumers continue to demand more automation and expect the ability to transact life online, widespread adoption of secure systems is possible with blockchain infrastructure, said Andrew Smith, president of Oxhead Alpha, while adding, "These systems have historically been accessible by large financial institutions, but have done little for regular citizens. We believe that ultimately, value transfer will be embedded within the system itself, proving the technology works at scale and enables other jurisdictions to implement similar approaches." The DMV's initiative is one of the first implementations of California's broader plan to integrate blockchain solutions into government operations. The state's plan also seeks to improve the regulatory environment for Web3 companies. This initiative is one of the first milestones in California Governor Gavin Newsom's vision of integrating blockchain solutions into government operations, reaffirming California's commitment to adopt new technologies and improve efficiency and accessibility within public sectors. In April, the Avalanche C-Chain network integrated with payment firm Stripe, allowing verified Stripe users to buy Avalanche's AVAX. 8 Avalanche Web3 apps have also been integrated with the platform. Blockchains are the most advanced tool any organization can leverage to maximize efficiency, maintain compliance, and protect consumer data, vital components for a government serving its constituents, said John Wu, president of Ava Labs. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.